Today, this is the part 2 of the dog. Oh, it's so cute. And please like and subscribe if you like dogs, and comment in any of the videos if you like dogs or cats the most. If you don't like any of them, whatever, just comment there. Comment. Okay, now this is my friend's dog, and plus watch the part 1 if you have not watch one. Yeah. So at my friend's channel, we're today also going to do another video. So please also like that video and this. So bring in the dogs. Oh, look at that dog! Look at that dog! Look at that dog! He's so excited.
Yo.
Yeah. Oh, look at that dog!
Hey, Jack. Hey, this is my camera.
No, he's.
Okay, Sham, chodo.
Look at that cutie! He's so active when he gets out of the cage.
Yeah.
Wait, can you stop? Can you guys stop? Wait,
Yes.
I
Just 1 minute.
want to. We have to tell you guys that the dog gets so active when it gets out of his cave because he's very happy. Like he's a little puppy right now. He's not a big dog. And when I get a dog, I will also record that.
He's only 4 months.
Yeah, I don't know his age. He told.
This is my bone. Okay?
This is treat.
No, I.
He's taming it. Look at it, it's just jumping. Look, I'll touch him.
Jump!
Look at that Jackie. His name is Jack, by the way. His name is Jack.
Take the camera over there.
Yeah. Doge. That's a big Doge. That's a big Doge. Hey, that's a big Doge.
Go, run!
Whoa. Yeah, boy. Yeah, run, Jack.
Jump!
Whoa.
Yeah!
Look at that show. Oh, look at him. What the? A standing Doge. That's the Doge. Look at that Doge.
Down!
Oh, he's on that.
Down! Yeah! Jump!
Is he scared?
Jump!
Whoa, he did it. He's so talented. I don't even have a dog. What did it do? Can it do that again? For the viewers?
Okay.
Oh, look at him go. He's learning new things. Stop.
I will stop when you are not working. Hey, sure.
Look at that cute Doge. Look at that cute Doge. Look at that.
Okay, bye-bye.
Stop it. So, that was it. So, time to be quiet. Okay, that was it for this cute little doggy. So, bye guys.